In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the best presentation using Gamma I. First, open your browser and head to gamma.app. On the homepage, select Sign Up or Log In to access your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create New. This is your starting point for building a presentation from scratch or with AI assistance. Next, choose how you want to begin. You'll see options to generate with AI, start from a blank canvas, or use a template. If you want the fastest, most guided experience, pick Generate with AI. Templates and blank projects are great for full control, but AI generation gives you a strong draft in seconds that you can refine. Now enter your topic. In the prompt box, type what you want the presentation to cover, such as marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. Keep it clear and specific. Then click Generate. Gamma will build an outline and populate slides with suggested content based on your prompt. Once the draft appears, review and edit the slides. Click any slide to tweak the text, update headlines, or refine bullet points. Add or remove sections to match your story, and drag slides to rearrange the order. As you edit, keep your audience in mind, make points concise, verify facts, and ensure each slide supports your main message. Customize the design to fit your brand or purpose. Change the theme or style, adjust colors and fonts, and add images, icons, or videos. Aim for one or two complementary fonts and a simple color palette for a polished look. High contrast colors improve readability, and high quality visuals keep attention. Gamma helps maintain clean, modern layouts automatically. If you need more material, click plus Add card to insert new content. You can add text, images, videos, charts, and even embeds like links or websites. Charts are perfect for data-heavy points, and embeds are great for showing live examples without leaving the deck. Keep each card focused on one idea to avoid clutter. To refine wording, highlight any text and open the AI options. You can ask it to rewrite for clarity, expand for detail, or simplify for a general audience. Use these tools to polish tone and readability, then review the results to ensure accuracy and your voice remain intact. When you're ready, click Present for slideshow mode or Share to send a link and collaborate with others in real time. Finally, export your presentation as a PDF or a PowerPoint file or share